So hello, what's up people, hope you guys are having a fantastic day as always. Today's ride for some time, उसके बाद हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं ड्यूक के साथ. My brother has let me ride as Duke. So आज हम फोटोशूट सेशन के लिए जा रहे हैं. And I'm not sure about this guys. Before leaving I have to tell you this. I'm actually not sure about this, but there might be a surprise. I find something fishy today, so there might be a surprise which I'll be showing in this vlog. So do stick around till the end of the video for obviously to see what it is. Let's go then. Not waste much time. Dio में ज़्यादा बक नहीं करने मेरे को भी. Let's go. I'll just pick up my brother's Duke and then continue with the vlog. See ya. So yes guys, as I told you guys about the surprise, I have confirmed that the surprise is here actually. It is hidden. कहीं पर भी इसके बारे में कुछ भी बात नहीं किया था मैंने भी, ना ही जो सरप्राइज जो दे रहे हैं उन्होंने भी, किसी ने भी उसके बारे में बात नहीं किया था. This was a secret from quite a long time and it is here now. We'll show you guys in the vlog. Stay tuned guys, watch the full. Thumbnail is very different, I understand, but it is worth it. So don't miss the vlog. पूरा लास्ट तक देखना. Don't miss the surprise at all. I can't wait. I'm so excited for the surprise, man. Damn, bro. I'm so happy, so happy. Now we are head to the point where we have told the boys to come. So as soon as the boys come, we are leaving for the photo shoot with the surprise. Let's go. I knew this. I knew this. I knew this. I knew this. I knew this was coming. Oh shit. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ಯೋ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಫುಲ್ ಫಿಶಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಹಾರ್ಲಿ ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತು ನನಗೆ. ಐ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್. ಕಂಗ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂತು. Guys, look at this, man. I can't believe my brother owns a 6R, man. Shit, look at that sound. Oh my god, bro. Damn. Oh my god. I'm really sorry if I'm screaming at this point. I don't know how my voice is. I don't really care right now. I'm very excited for the bike. Damn, boy, that sound on that. It was like, shit. Damn. I can't believe this, man. Shit, bro. There you go, the surprise ZX6R going for the photo shoot. Oh my god, can't hear anything. रुक जाओ, मेरे को जाके गाड़ी छेड़ने दो. There you go, the 6R, man. Look at that, beautiful. Shit, so pretty. ये देखो अपना रोड किंग. beast is so pretty. The green 6R ka, with Kawasaki's green and black ka combo, man. Look at that, dude. Damn, bro. Oh my god. I still can't believe this has happened, bro. Shit. In love with it, man. In love with it. Now I know why Rajat planned for a sudden photo shoot. Heightling इसका थोड़ा कम है, I guess. Bro, the exhaust, it has a Two Brothers exhaust, not a stock one. That's why it is pretty loud. Oh hell, look at this, bro. You have a brother now. ZS6R. When are you getting exhaust, bro? Hell, make it happen, man. Can't wait for your 6R with exhaust too. This one is already pretty lit. Oh my god, sorry. Who's calling? Guys, don't mind if the video gets a pretty bit longer than usual, because obviously Superbike is here. So what else do you expect? ये तो आप देखना ही चाहोगे. ZX6R, bro. RC boy. RC boy. Damn. ಗಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೋ, ಇವಂದು 10 10 lakhs ಬ್ರೋ. 10 lakhs. ಹಾಂ. ತಾಲಿ ಅಬೇ 10 ಲಕ್ಷನಾ ಬ್ರೋ? ಹಾಂ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿತ್ತು? ಇದು 4 ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೋ. 3.5 ಹತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 180 ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಇದು 180 ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 185 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಬ್ರೋ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇ ಫೋಟೋ ಗಿಸ್ಕಾ ಬೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 10 ಸರ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡು ಬೇಡ ಬ್ರೋ. ಹೊಸ ಗಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು. 390 ಆಕ್ಸಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಅದು 90 ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಂದು ಅದೇ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗಾಡಿ. ಬರಲಾ ಬ್ರೋ? ಸರಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಓಕೆ. Guys, public's reaction is hilarious on Superbikes, man. And by the way, guys, if when you're watching this video, if you find the clips very like fast, or if you feel like it is speeding, then actually no, we aren't that speeding. All the footages are, most of the footages in this video is gonna be fast forwarded because it is a superbike and why not. So most of the clips are fast forwarded, so please do not try this on your own. देखो इनका reaction man. So please do not try this. Be safe guys, ride safe. Don't show stupidities on the road. As I saw a video on Instagram, I've mentioned it on my story too. They're very ridiculously riding a Duke and a RC, KTM RC obviously. Those beasts are very powerful guys. The recent KTMs and all that, they are meant powerful. So उनके साथ अपना नौटंकी दिखाओगे, so obviously it will not end good. So make sure when you're riding it, you guys are safe around and don't act stupid guys, please. For God's sake, ride safe. Be safe guys, be safe. देख लो रिएक्शन, दिख ही रहा है. And of course, leave a comment congratulating Rajat. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, hops. So guys, don't forget to leave a comment congratulating him and wishing him a safe ride. Third bike, this is his Harley 48 LS. Now he has added a 6R. So come on guys, oh my god. You can't do it man. Duke is powerful but it's not as much as 6R obviously. Oh my god, I don't know if Mike is making justice for the exhaust sound on this bike, but on reality, pretty loud guys, pretty loud. Doesn't feel like a 600 bike riding around. It sounds more like a 1000cc. Pretty loud. And you know Kawasaki ka titanium pipes, those make it pretty loud. This isn't a full system, this is a slip-on Two Brothers exhaust replica. Just because Kawasaki has its titanium pipes already as a stock, it is pretty loud. And ये देखो, the guy with the Duke killing it, हमारा ऋतिक भाई. उनका नया गाड़ी, उनका RPM limit था उनके गाड़ी पे. Now that is gone, so he's very happy, ripping his bike already. Guys, please forgive me if I'm talking a bit too much in this video. Obviously, I'm very excited for my brother. Let's go, man. Let's go. Stupids man, such stupids I swear. Without helmet लड़की को पीछे बिठा के is flexing. भाई लड़कियों को पीछे बिठाते हो, जरा रेस्पॉन्सिबली चलाओ यार. गाड़ी चलाना आता है, एटलीस्ट हेलमेट तो पहनाओ उसको. ऐसे क्या है, गाड़ी चलाना आता है, तुम गिरोगा ही नहीं ब्रो. कभी ना कभी तो तुम्हारा भी दिन खराब रहेगा. Not everyone is a pure rider over here man. Even the people in MotoGP fall. Get that fact in your head, brain stupid. ऐसे बिना हेलमेट के क्यों ही चलाते हैं भाई लोग? I don't understand. I don't know. ओह ये देखो, पूरा लवी शवी चल रहा है यहाँ पे. I don't know why people think helmet is for cops. I don't understand that fact. ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ? Road King, the legend never dies, guys. Oh shit. Okay. This is my first time riding a Road King actually, so don't judge me. Let's do a flyby. Oh, पिकअप भारी है भाई लोग. Oh my god, this is sick actually. Not gonna lie, this is sick. This is very sick. Legend for a reason. मैं गियर भूल गया. Okay, right. Very powerful. Oh my god, this is actually very powerful. Based on the looks, if you judge this, you are very wrong, because this is actually very powerful. ಏನು ಲಿಫ್ಟಾ ಹತ್ಕೋ ಬೈ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ
ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಾಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡು.
Oh, here you go. This is a surprise. Rajat KK officially owns a ZX6R now. Photo shoot is going on. Dude, this actually sounds massive, guys. And there are the boys. Oops. Yes.
Make me famous.
What?
Make me famous.
You already are. Look at this. Photo bombing. ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ ಬಾಂಬ್.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ.
अभी हम लोग फोटो सेशन हो गया हमारा. We are head back home with the 6R, Lakshmi's Bullet, Ritik Duke. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go, man. Guys, I don't know how much of you all agree, but बचपन में ये हमारा सपना हुआ करता था कि हम लोग रास्ते में कोई सुपर बाइक देखें. And now, being a part of a super bike group, like Team Friendly Super Bikes, MD Man ka, being a part of it and riding with super bikes, can call it a dream come true, man. बचपन में हम लोग सपना देखते थे कि रास्ते में एक सुपर बाइक दिख जाए. आज हम लोग खुद सुपर बाइक चलाने वाले लायक हो गए हैं. Blessed, man, blessed, honestly blessed.
ಸ್ಟೈಲಿಶ್ ಹೀರೋ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳು, ಅದು ಇದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, so I hope you guys like the surprise. ZX6R, Rajat ka new ZX6R was a surprise. I hope you guys liked it, and please make sure to drop a comment. And obviously, like as I always tell you guys to do, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's see, we'll come up with good contents. You can check out my past videos. Some of them I have some of the good unique content. So if you like the channel, then please do give it a subscribe, and rest we'll see in the next video. Until then, peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys, so tata, bye bye. Hey, peace out, boss, peace out.
From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game.